Hey guys, if you're wondering who that is, that's my roommate Ashmeet, and this is me.
My name is Aryan Setia and I'm here from the IPM 05 batch here at IIM Rohtak. And this is a snapshot of our lives here at IIM Rohtak.
My room is on the third floor of our hostel, so we have to go up and down a lot of stairs.
This is our hostel's exit, and we do have a beautiful scenery, full of trees and peaceful chirping of insects. Wanna see more? Walk with me. We meet with the parcel office on our way. Everything delivered here has to be taken from this place. From GeoMart to Amazon, this place receives hundreds of parcels every day.
The dorms that we see in your ride are where our seniors and our super seniors live in.
This is just a sneak peek of a mega library. You have to see the interiors of it.
But for now, let's go to our classroom.
I just reached my class on time. It's 10:16 and our class starts at 10:20. From sociology to differential calculus, from stats to introduction to business organization and management. Our curriculum here is so diverse, and don't worry, it's very interesting. We have mock board meetings, debates, and a lot of practical teaching. So, finally, we're done with our classes, and now I'll be going to the library to complete my extra work. Walk with me.
Finally, this is our library. It's huge. You can peacefully have discussions or self study. It's open from 9 am to 9 pm. It has charging points and very chilly ACs, so you can comfortably study here.
I know it can be hectic here, but trust me, it will be very insightful and fun at the same time. The innumerable books might look very fat, but I can guarantee that won't be the case for you here. So that's it, a little walk of our lives here at IIM Rohtak. You might come alone here, but you'll make friends that will last for a lifetime. And that's also one of the best part about this place. From beautiful sceneries to beautiful people to amazing education, you get the whole package here. And that is why this is worth it.